Hell yeah. I couldn't see. Oh shit, boy. That's a far shot. Oh, don't worry. That was a far shot though. He was right there. Hell yeah, I got that one. Let's take some. I got double on my right. How far is it? Well, I got a double right, 2 pintails on top. Coming in, 2 pintails right here. Good shot. We double teamed his ass. Over! Right there! Get the bird! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Come on! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Hold it! Good girl! That's my girl! Damn! Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Back. Good girl. I'm so proud of my dog right now, Bella. This is her best day that she's had retrieving so far. She has done a great job. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Over here. Over here. Come on. Good girl. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Use the board. Come on, girl. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come on. Good girl. That's a good girl. Go give it to Kendall. Come on, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Here. Tell her to leave it. Leave it. There you go. Good girl. Good girl, Bella, Bella. What do you think, Brian? Brian?
Oh, love it.
Come on, girl. All right. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Come on. Get in. Come on. Hey guys, this is Brian for Delta Fowlers. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the hunt we had. It's pretty slow the first couple of days, but man, when that storm came through, that cold front pushed its way through Sunday night, early Monday morning, it changed for the best. It brought new birds in. Tuesday morning, we had birds just all around us. Most birds we've seen in a long time. We wound up killing 15. If we could have killed more than one pintail apiece, we could have killed 100 pintails. There were pintails everywhere. Hopefully some more cold weather will come through and push more birds down. We're looking forward to it. If you like the video, give us a shout out, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, give us a big thumbs up. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Delta Fowlers. If there's anything you want to see us do, comment below. Any challenges or anything like that, man, just let us know. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless to all of y'all.